Say hey, Levi.
Oh yeah, we're totally
Hey.
to Levi.
Shut up. We got Chloe. We got Emily.
I'm just kidding.
Stop. We got this ratchet looking hobo. We got Maggie.
Kelsie, I told him. It was in love with you, okay? He knows that.
And the most person.
She's passcode. Levi is her passcode. She's
Not even joking.
She's gonna take you long time.
Oh my god. Yeah,
You give me that.
Don't tell me what I look
Go.
okay.
Sad. Get away from me. You're my frenemy. Now get away.
I invited you to this house.
I don't care. Oh,
I could break your arm right now if I wanted to.
did you hear that, Levi? You should not like her.
Dude, he hates me. He's talking to me.
Yeah, maybe that's why he does to me.
I would know because my dad sees his dad like every day, so I would know.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Sure. Emily, you're so annoying.
We're watching this up there. And we're putting it on YouTube.
Yeah, we're probably putting this on YouTube, not
Yeah, we're totally sending it to Levi. See how annoying you are in my nose.
Hey.
Okay, it's over.